everyone, this is Dana from Unlimited Media, back with another quick video. Here at Unlimited Media, we're committed to providing you guys with the best entertainment experience, and we're always striving to seek out new technology, new apps, all along lines to enhance your entertainment experience, all while saving you money compared to the big cable crooks. So this video, we're going to be discussing and showing you our new Premium TV app. As a result of the uprise and issues that we've been noticing from our current provider and the app STBMU, with lots of lagging and slow load time, some customers weren't even able to watch TV. We've outsourced, and we've secured a much better supplier with a much more stable app, a heck of a lot more channels, a lot more content, and all a heck of a lot easier to use. So we're super excited to show you guys this. This video, we're just going to show you how to download the app and get it onto the box, and then in another video we're going to show you how to log in and do all that fun stuff. So just like you would in any other circumstance to get any one of the new apps, we're going to be using Unlinked, which everybody should have. If you don't already have the Unlinked app on your box, send us a quick message and we'll show you how to get that. So you have Unlinked. You're going to go down to the triangle down at the bottom here, and you're going to click on the 9 blocks or the square on the left there, and that will bring you to all of your apps on the box. You'll locate Unlinked at the bottom and just open that up. Now most of you will have our unlimited free apps library already in there. As you can see there, Unlimited Media free apps. What you're going to do here is add another library. So you're just going to go down to add new library, click OK, and here you're going to write U Media TV. It doesn't actually have to be capitals either. You just go down, hit enter, and you'll see the one app that we're using here, IPTV Smarters. You're simply going to click OK on that. Click OK again to download it. Now once it's a very small program, so it shouldn't take too long depending on your internet connection. And once it's done in downloading, you'll be presented with this pop-up. You're going to click OK on Install App. Please allow, if you get this pop-up, please allow permissions. Most of you shouldn't, but if you do, you're just going to click OK, and then this will pop up on the right hand. You're going to scroll down to Unlinked, turn it on, and then just hit your back button once, and then it will ask you to install. You just click on Install, and then once the screen goes back to the IPTV Smarters little icon, that's how you'll know it's actually installed on the box there, just like this. From this point, I'm just going to go back to the home page, and what I'm going to do now is go down to the triangle again, go down to or click on the 9 blocks. I'm going to find IPTV Smarters or Smarters Lite Player like this. I'm going to hold down OK on my remote, and then it's going to say add to tile. I'm going to click OK. I'm going to locate 5 down where it says STBMU Pro. I'm going to click OK again. Basically what I'm doing is I'm adding that app to the home screen. So now let me go back to the home screen and I click on STBMU. I'll also have the Smarters Player Lite here. And you open it, and it's pretty simple. We're going to give you a login and all that kind of stuff, and as you can see, it's a much easier layout. It's a heck of a lot faster to load, and there's a lot more channels. So that's how you download the app and get it on the Android box. If you have any issues doing this, send us a message. We'll guide you through it, and look forward to the next video. Bye for now.